Today, the Kalahari Memorandum is reporting on the R31 in Bloemfontein, outside Kimberley, on the R31, which is one of the most dangerous roads in South Africa. This road is dangerous because there's a lot of accidents happening on a daily basis, in particular due to high traffic volumes, because the R31 is an important economic connector with high levels of mining or transportation. To add to woes, on the R31, just outside Kimberley, a huge pen has developed. But what makes this pen interesting is that this pen, the storm water that is contained in the pen, is flooded with sewerage. This pen, stretching for approximately 7 kilometers into the veld, has been renamed by the EFF in June this year the Zamani Sol Lake. The EFF is of the opinion that the Northern Cape government and the Sol municipality is not doing enough to rectify the situation. It is Sunday, 15 August 2021, and we came here today in particular because for a few hours the road was closed today. And the road was closed because a truck overturned, or rather lost control and swerved into the water just behind me. And if you can look there are still some of the marks that the truck has made as it swerved into this water. This water is not only dangerous because it is on both sides of the road, but it's also dangerous because it's an ecological danger. It has health hazards, and also at certain points you can see that it's actually eroding and eating away the road surface. So the situation currently is that at this point the R31 is collapsing away. Wildebeestkuil Pen forms part of the greater watershed of Galeshewe, Katers Ridge, West End Verwoerd Park, and some parts of Roodepan in the main. Any stormwater drainage, sewer spillages, and water leaks from these areas drain following the watershed contours towards the Wildebeestkuil Pen. Due to operational reasons, outfall sewer lines collapsed and vandalism of sewer pump station in these areas, sewer spillages have been experienced in high proportions, which has contributed to the increase in water levels of the pen in past months. Additional to this are water leaks and stormwater drainage from Tlageng and the Kagiso Flood Attenuation Dam. The combination of these is believed to be the main contributors to the rise in the pen's water levels, which has now encroached into the R31 on the Barkley Road. As you can see, the culvert, which is supposed to channelize the water, storm water in particular, underneath the road, has already reached a road level. In other words, very soon, the levels of water will be so high that they will be over the road. Also in focus, you can see that there's a tree, and I can see only the branches of the tree now, which means that the water levels is very high now. The Kalahari Memorandum is concerned about the situation. As you can see, it's just after 4 on a Sunday afternoon, but even on a Sunday afternoons, a lot of trucks are still using the road. And you can literally, when they pass by on this stretch of road, you can literally feel the movement on the track of the road, which give you a clear indication that this road is a ticking time bomb. When you lose control of your vehicle, or when anything out of the ordinary happens, you are literally in the mess. You are landing yourself. Some vehicles or motorists have landed themselves in poof, because this is not clean natural water. This is unnatural water. This is what happens when a tiny problem is not attended to. In the beginning of this year, the Democratic Alliance sounded the alarm bells, asking the municipality several times to look into this situation. Now the road is on the verge of collapsing. It can't carry all the traffic on a daily basis on its own, but now even the water mass, the sewerage water mass, is eating the road away. My name is Henry Jacobs. I'm the reporter of the Kalahari Memorandum, but I'm also a user of those roads on a daily basis, and we want to make an urgent appeal to the Northern Cape government to address the R31 Sewerage Dam matter urgently.